Introduction. Welcome to King Bike. Today, we're exploring the legendary Honda VFR750R, a motorcycle that represents Honda's racing technology, precision engineering, and timeless performance. Honda VFR750R Overview. The Honda VFR750R, also known as the RC30, is one of the most iconic sport bikes ever built. Introduced in 1987, it was developed with racing DNA and became famous for its incredible balance, reliability, and track-focused design. Engine and performance. Powered by a 748 cubic centimeters V4 engine, the VFR750R delivers smooth power, thrilling acceleration, and a unique exhaust note. Its advanced engineering, lightweight frame, and racing-inspired components made it a dominant machine in its era. Design and technology. The RC30 features a distinctive aerodynamic design, single-sided swing arm, and high-quality suspension setup. Every detail was created to provide excellent handling and a true racing experience on the road. Legacy. The Honda VFR750R remains a highly respected motorcycle among collectors and enthusiasts. Its combination of racing success, rare production numbers, and legendary performance has secured its place in motorcycle history. Conclusion. The Honda VFR750R is more than just a sport bike, it's a symbol of Honda's passion for innovation and racing excellence. Thanks for watching King Bike, and stay tuned for more legendary motorcycles.